I had never seen it before, so it was a new experience for me. So watching the children and that moment of awe-inspiring, so they were really engaged from the get-go. They found it fascinating.
It was exciting because you had to use your brain as well as like have fun.
All of a sudden, like this enchanted locker comes out from the ground.
And when it opens, we have to walk through it and we go to this like new world and we have to find different artifacts.
So it's like how you play video games, but you're also learning from the game.
And I was noticing like key children in my class that would be a little bit more less focused in class, were on task the whole time, and so they were really engaged.
Puzzle Locker is really learning for the future. It's not only inspiring and engaging, but it's taking all those skills that we know children are using in 2026 and putting them into a really engaging activity.